Well, the post has just been, and there might be something in the mail today. There he is down there. Let's have a look. Aha! Well, I've been looking forward to this unboxing. It's from Dr. Stiffler, and very kindly iQuest, a subscriber to this channel, has bought this for me so we can continue the studies on the SEC kind of systems that Dr. Stiffler is doing. So, let's have a look. And here we are. Your exciter under test, driving 48 Super LEDs. Very cool. And here it is. There we go. So the next part of this video will be assembling it and then testing it out. Right, so let's see what's in the bag. First of all, the main circuit. First thing I'm seeing, the L1 red black black, I think that's 20 microhenries. Then we've got this wound inductor on the spool here. I've seen plenty of videos with those, never seen one of course in real life. And then L3B and L3A on the top left, so I believe that's where. Oh, right, we've got the transistor already in there. I've just noticed in this bag, we've got the L3, which again I've never seen one in real life as it were. A couple of diodes and another transistor, presumably MPSA06. Yeah, MPSA06. So, which end is which? I would guess that's going to be there. And plug in this to L3A. Right, so I'm going to connect this and power it up. A couple of clip leads I think, and I'll use this adjustable thing at 12 volts. Oh, carry on the recording because I've just had a closer inspection and I can see that this has actually been scraped by the look of it, so I can put that into L3A. Right, and I'll connect it up and power it up. Okay, so that's the leads on, and this will be at 9 volts when it starts up. I've got this coil here which I don't expect at all to be at 13.6 megahertz, but I've got backup piece of ferrite just in case that does the trick. Anyway, we'll go for a power up and see what happens on this very first run. Oh yeah, we've got the white light on. Nothing on that output yet, and indeed that is not tuned. But what happens with, yeah, AV plug, absolutely fine. Nice enough little feel going on. So yeah, that works. Alright, well thanks very much to iQuest and to Ron, indeed. That's at 9 volts, I should be playing around and taking it to 12 volts and such, and getting coils wound that do resonate with this one. But yeah, thanks very much, and thanks for watching. Say, just on the end of this video, I saw that this coil was on the table, and it's one I've been using in a few videos in the series, and there we go. That started up straight away.